Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian, Michelle Dwoskin.
Welcome back everybody. Today we have something really special, seared bay scallops and spaghetti. If you love scallops, this dish is for you. It's really quick and easy to make, and if you've never tried them this way, you are in for such a treat. They're seared golden brown and sweeter than candy. Scallops are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can benefit cholesterol levels. They're also high in magnesium, which helps to relax the blood vessels, which could lower blood pressure and improve your circulation. Okay, so full disclosure here. I'm not a big fan of sodium tripolyphosphate. It's an additive that they put in fresh and frozen seafood items like scallops and shrimp, and it can make the product artificially hang on to fluids, which allows them to keep a fuller appearance longer, but it also makes them heavier when you're buying them by the pound. It's touted as being non-toxic, but I like to err on the side of caution and remove as much of it as I can. Oh, and by the way, companies are not required to list this in their ingredients, so you can check the bag, but they won't usually be there. I always just assume they're there every time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, which we really hope you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Peace, love, and good eating.